Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to show you the ins and outs about our window exhaust kit. So the window exhaust kit that we make here, it is designed to make it so that you can get your exhaust from, like, say, the enclosures that we make to a window, and so that you can get fumes and particulate outside where it's not going to harm you in your workspace. So the things that are included with the window exhaust kit are a 4-inch exhaust hose, along with uh, hose clamps. So with this kit, you actually get two 8-foot lengths of this, so that you can split things up. And the reason that you need to split it up is that it also includes a 4-inch inline fan. So the 4-inch inline fan, it's a 200 CFM fan, and it includes a speed control switch. And the fans are relatively quiet, and especially when you have it hooked up to a hose, you can hear me talk over it relatively easy. So that gives you an idea about how loud these things are. Especially if you turn down the speed, then it gets very quiet. And then we also have what's called our window insert. So our window insert, this is designed to be a really easy way to set up a window exhaust, so that all you have to do is basically lift up your window, and you're just going to spread it out. This will fit up to a 36-inch wide window, and then you just close the window right on top of it. It is designed for vertically sliding double hung windows. I do have some users that use this on a horizontal sliding window. However, that's not the way that we anticipated it. If you get it for a horizontal sliding window where you are going to be orienting it like that, just you may need to do some extra planning to fix it, maybe a little bit of taping and securing. But it can actually work. So the really cool thing about this window insert is, just like our enclosures, it has a 4-inch exhaust bracket. And so with the 4-inch exhaust hose, it slips right onto there, just like that. And then you use a hose clamp. You just snug on a hose clamp. You don't have to get it really tight. And you just tighten it down with a Phillips screwdriver. So the other cool part is this actually includes what's called a blast gate. So it's just a door that can open. So if you're using this in the dead of summer or the dead of winter, it keeps the warm or cold air out. Also keeps critters out, like bugs and other things, and birds and other things like that. So when you're using it, you can open up the blast gate so that you're in exhaust mode, and then when you're done, you just close it right back up, and it seals out the outside. Additionally, we put this canister on here. This gives you a little bit of space between your window and the framing of the house, so that the exhaust can kind of hit the outside in some cross currents, so that the exhaust fume smell kind of get whisked away, and it's not just sitting inside the window as well. And then we've got a cover here again, so that critters can't really quite get inside, no birds' nests or anything like that. So this is a super easy way to set up a window exhaust that just takes a few minutes to assemble this portion, and it comes with instructions online. So overall, here's the setup. So we've got the enclosure. You'll attach the hose from the enclosure to the input side of the 4-inch exhaust hose, and then you'll put a hose clamp on there, and then you'll take the second hose that you receive. So it comes with two 8-foot lengths of hose, and you're going to attach it to the output side along with the ring clamp there. And then the final stage, you'll attach it to the window insert using a hose clamp there. And all in all, this probably takes 15 to 20 minutes, or if you're slow like me, maybe a half hour.